For all my YouTube subscribers who are interested in Proxmox, I have made a brand new course and I'm offering this for free only to the YouTube subscribers. And this course is on Udemy. And the reason why I'm making the course on Udemy is because I can structure them with the sections, with the lectures, and even the download material related to all of these courses. You can see here, there is a lot that I'm going to cover in this: the introduction, planning and preparation, and then the Proxmox networking, and building and configuring the Proxmox cluster. And then there is a lot which is already in the process of uh, editing. I'm editing these lectures. I'm still uploading them, and the course is not yet completed. It will have a lot, and a lot will be covered in this course. So you will see that I have covered various other external resources also. And with these resources, of course, I will make sure that you get a better learning experience. I will also cover the practical explanations and all of that. So all details are explained here. You can see, if you go into the details of this course, you will read about it, you will get an idea. But what I want from you is your sincere feedback on this. And please make sure that when you do the rating, uh, give a good rating so that I can reach more and more people. I'm offering this to you for free. The reason is because you have been the subscriber of my YouTube channel and you have really helped me to grow this channel. And that's where I am offering this course for free. Of course, this course is not completed yet, but you will have the journey with me. Whenever I will be uploading new videos, you will get the notifications and you will be getting all the other related material as well. And one request I want to do is that there is a book that I have published on Proxmox. So on Amazon, this is available for Kindle readers also. So Proxmox, if you search Proxmox Amjid Ali, so you will see this book is available to you. So you can go for it. And this is also available in Kindle. And those who want to look for other books as well, I have provided the detailed explanation here. The reason of having book is because sometimes once the video is published, it's very difficult to go back and change that video and add additional information. But book will cover each and every aspect of it. I have added more books also, but this particular book consists of all the details that I feel one should have if you want to learn Proxmox with the help of book as well. So usually with the people with the age of 25 to 45 years, especially who are in their 40s, they prefer reading the books alongside the course also. So I have provided these details also. It will be great help for my efforts and time that I use to compile the information and the knowledge that I try to share with you. So this was all about the course, and I will suggest you to subscribe to the course. This is of course available for free. And thank you for being sincere subscriber of syncbricks. Take care and goodbye.